Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again, man. All right, so there was a breaking news yesterday with regards to a lawsuit pertaining to Mullen. So let's take a quick peek at that. So, in on Yahoo Finance or any other news outlet, you'll see here that Mullen Automotive files lawsuit against Intersection Media Group .la and the reporter for damages sustained from false article. So you can dive deeper into this, guys. But what's happening here is that apparently Mullen is trying to defend its reputation based on an article that was issued. So I don't think this is any major news from that will impact the stock. That's my opinion. Uh, I think right now what we actually want to see from Mullen's side is for Mullen to show that they are living up to expectations and you know um, making deliveries. So if you take a look at earlier, where let me just see if I can locate it here. So there was an earlier section. So here, so 3 months ago, Mullen Automotive received purchase order from Randy Marian Automotive Group for 6,000 Class 1 commercial EV cargo vans. And it says that the value of this contract was approximately $200 million, and deliveries commence in the first quarter of 2023. So I think this is the news that we need to focus on, guys. And when I say news, I mean we need to see news that Mullen has um, or will be making deliveries by, well, the the first quarter is the end of March, and the end of March is basically 2 days away from today's date. So what we really want news on is the deliveries to say yes, Mullen is, making money, making deliveries, and the potential to earn revenue is there. So that is kind of what I want to see, not any, filing about a lawsuit about their character. Their character should stand up in terms of the productions that are being done and deliveries that are being made. So that's kind of my opinion. I don't know what your opinion is, but you can hit me up in the comments and let me know. But let's take a look at this stock, guys. That's what we are all here about. So yesterday, let me zoom into the 5 minute chart. Yesterday, let's see what happened. So yesterday, Mullen went to an all-time low at 887. So as I said, we are just basically stair stepping downwards, not in the right direction, but we're stair stepping downwards. We got some little pop up yesterday up to above the 10 cent, and it came back down. In pre-market, we got another pop almost up to the 10 cents. That's come back down slightly. So Mullen right now, it seems like we're making all new lows on a daily basis. So we want to see some good news coming in that yes, something that will kind of halt this slide. So let's take a peek at Yahoo Finance, see if there was any further major sell-off. So we're hovering around the 200 million, which we were around yesterday. So that not major in terms of sell-off. The volume that came in at twice the average, 452 million. So, a lot of selling and buying was happening yesterday, but overall the market cap kind of held at the 200. As I mentioned yesterday, Mullen fell, and this is around 6.5%. pre-market up slightly, around 2%. In terms of the overall market, TSX was basically flat, S&P basically flat, the Dow basically flat. And in terms of the comps, Lucid fell 7%, Neo up 3%, Rivian fell almost 3%, Xpeng up almost 5%, almost 6%. So it's a mixed bag in terms of what's going on with the market and what's going on with EVs. But as I have always said, for Mullen to kind of push back up, what we want to see is for just news, really news about the deliveries. And, we want to see at least a 5-cent pop, 10-cent pop back up, so that we know that yes, we're getting a good level of rejection at whatever level it is at. The RSI is still way oversold. The MACD is still looking a little slightly bearish. So right now, I think we just, as I said before, we just need to have some good news coming in. So we have 2 days to see, if Mullen will live up to expectation. Today's the 29th. So by the 31st, we should hopefully hear about deliveries being made for the van. All right, that's kind of what I have for you for today, guys. Nothing too exciting to speak about, but we're hoping by the next couple of days we'll get some good news coming in. All right, so as usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like. Okay, take care, guys.